I'm sitting in a 2024 Volkswagen Taos, and I was pretty excited to have this rental vehicle for a little bit because unlike my Honda CR-V, it has wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, in addition to USB-C ports for CarPlay and Android Auto. And everything was working fine at first, but then suddenly they wouldn't connect. Not over my cords, not over wireless, and it didn't matter if I swapped out the cords, it just wouldn't connect. Thankfully, this is a problem that happens with my CR-V fairly frequently, and I know what the fix is. It takes about 6 seconds to do. So if that's you right now, let's get to fixing it. Okay, so don't mind the no smoking things. Again, this is a rental vehicle, and as you can see, I've already got CarPlay working once again. But if you're having trouble, try doing this. Press and hold this power button for about 6 seconds. You'll see that clock pop up. That's okay. Just keep pressing and holding. And if you do it for long enough, eventually the whole system should reboot. See, the clock just turned off, so we know it's well on its way. It'll blink a little bit here and there, but that's okay. That doesn't mean you've done anything wrong. Just keep waiting. The reboot itself is honestly fairly quick, much faster than my CR-V. I'd say less than a minute or so before we really start seeing things happening again. In fact, we're already pulling up the rest of the screen. And this does a full, true reboot, unlike turning off your car, and it will remember all your settings and everything. And in fact, you can see it's already spotted my phone and it's trying to log in wirelessly, and we're back up and running. I'm betting if you're having trouble right now, this will fix your problem. And if it did, would you mind going ahead and give me a thanks by either subscribing to the channel or maybe throwing a super thanks my way? Hey, thanks for watching. Till next time.